One's mind, once stretched by a new idea, never regains its original dimensions. These are the wise words of Oliver Wendell Holmes. The Troy University Library hosted another lecture pertaining to the Remnant Trust series on Wednesday afternoon.
We're having another one in a series of lectures we've had connected to our Remnant Trust exhibit. Today's speaker is Dr. John Kressler from Georgia Tech University.
Kressler wanted to enforce the idea to young adults that science and religion are not related but can coexist.
I'm looking at the intersection between science and religion, particularly as it relates to our modern world. I'm going to make the argument that science and religion are not fundamentally opposed to one another, and that synthesis actually is what folks, particularly young folks, should be thinking hard about.
The lecture encouraged students to look at the world in different perspectives and broaden their minds. The next Remnant Trust lecture will be October 30th at 9 a.m. in the Wallace Hall Library to discuss the Emancipation Proclamation. Claudia Peppenhorst, Troy, TrojanVision News.